I've never had these before, so let's rank them out of 10. These are freeze-dried. Oh, let's give it a go. It makes it taste really artificial, but probably because it is artificial. 4 out of 10. Next up, freeze-dried Laffy Taffy. ASMR. Yeah, it's quite sour. A 5 out of 10. Caramel M&Ms. Cheers. These are so much better than just normal M&Ms. In Korean, we would describe this texture as pasasak. 9 out of 10. Skittles. Wow, no wonder why everyone liked these so much. The winner is caramel M&Ms. Dun, da, da, da.